This is a Kodak Photo CD image. It scans photos at multiple resolutions. Modern Photoshop dropped support, but IrfanView can still open them. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view the photo. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful PCD troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. Any validation software will identify the PCD file under the general raster image file grouping. This file strictly adheres to the Kodak Photo CD Image specification. The PCD file format, short for Kodak Photo CD, is a proprietary raster image format developed by Kodak for storing photographic images on CDs. Introduced in the early 1990s, it was designed as a way for consumers to easily digitize and store their film-based photographs. While once popular, the format has largely been superseded by more modern image formats like JPEG. PCD images are stored using a hierarchical, multi-resolution structure, allowing for different levels of detail to be accessed quickly. The format supports a color palette of up to 16.7 million colors and uses a proprietary compression algorithm. Each photo CD disc could hold approximately 100 images, making it a convenient storage solution at the time. The software default for the PCD file type is the solution provided by Eastman Kodak's Kodak Photo CD. Windows only supports a simple read mode, not the dedicated analysis this file needs. Windows offers a viewer, but editing capabilities are minimal without graphics software. We are checking the software list for a compatible opener. Right-click your PCD file and select Open With. If Kodak Photo CD is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every possible application. If the PCD file still will not open, there is no need to stress. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, use Image Editor, Viewer. Open the file using Adobe Photoshop. Ensure the Photo CD plugin is installed, or a universal viewer like IrfanView. Next, check for corruption. If the file fails to open, try re-downloading it or ask the sender to export it again, as the file may be corrupt. Finally, convert to JPEG. Use an image editor to convert the .pcd file to the standard JPEG format for universal compatibility. If standard solutions cannot break the structural PCD format barrier, the professional decoding utility is the only dependable fix worth trying. Stop worrying about corrupted data. FileMagick will instantly show you what's inside the broken PCD file, offering a chance to recover data that other programs would miss. Available at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way. The quick fix wins every time.